Now that we've covered some of the features of federal student loans to help borrowers who are current, let's cover some specific tips if you're falling behind. First, I want to explain what stages of being behind look like. For federal loans, if you're late on a payment, you'll first be delinquent. You'll probably be contacted by your loan servicer during the first 15 days after a payment is due to bring it current. Over the next 60 to 90 days, most servicers will start reporting the late payment to credit bureaus. After 9 months after the last payment, the loan will enter default status. At this point, you'll probably be notified with a formal letter. If you have private loans, there's no grace period of delinquency like there is on federal student loans. Your loans are immediately in default the day after your payment was due. Your lender will probably try to contact you to collect a payment and report it to the credit bureaus over the next 3 to 4 months. When either of these loans are in default, you should expect that they will try to collect aggressively, often by pursuing legal options. In fact, for federal student loans, they can garnish wages or intercept your federal tax refund without getting a court order like private lenders need to. If you're behind on your payments, you want to start exploring your options right away. This will prevent you from falling further behind, from having your servicer constantly reach out to you, and from receiving unwanted marks on your credit report. As soon as you're having difficulty, contact your loan servicer, explain your situation to them, and ask for help. They'll probably present you with various options like extended repayment schedules or income-driven repayment plans. You'll want to review them to make sure that you can afford them and what impact they will have on your loan. Making a payment will go a long way towards showing them that you're serious about working with them. If you're late on payments because you have other obligations at other times during the month, it may help to request a due date change to have the payment closer to a different pay period. A direct loan consolidation might be the answer to get a payment to a more affordable level. You might also want to look at refinancing your federal loan into a private loan as we discussed. And another option might be to request a deferment or a forbearance.